Sawadee Kap. Welcome to Break Time with Monte. Today's story, weather. Natural air conditioning to return. The north, northeast, and central regions can expect about 10 days of cool weather starting tomorrow. Brisk winds will return, but daytime temperatures should be much more pleasant than the previous cold snap. Another high-pressure system from China, this time a moderate one, is set to bring us some cool weather over the next week to 10 days. The north, northeast, and central regions will all feel the effects. Brisk winds of up to 30 kilometers per hour will return. But daytime temperatures are expected to approach or exceed 30 degrees. So the weather should be more pleasant than the previous cold snap. Temperatures throughout the affected regions should drop between 1 and 4 degrees Celsius. The only significant rain is expected in the south, where waves are likely to be about 2 meters high, significantly lower than the strong waves that damaged coastal areas last week. Source: Thai Meteorological Department. Predicted temperatures from the Weather Underground. Bangkok, Don Mueang, Chiang Mai, and Khon Kaen. And now, today's vocabulary. Affected, affected, approach, approach, brisk, brisk, coastal, coastal, cold snap, cold snap, damage, damage, effects, effects, exceed, exceed, high pressure system, high pressure system, meteorological department, meteorological department, moderate, moderate, pleasant, pleasant, predict, predict, previous, previous, set to, set to, significant, significant, source, source, temperature, temperature, waves, waves. That's today's story and vocabulary. You have a great day. I'll see you next time here on Break Time with Monte.